Christmas? You did that for 2 months now. Great. And all we did was pull that handle, and I got always been go nuts. Absolutely.
The rooster says.
Hey, you know
Let it go all the way, honey.
Robbie, I bet we could put this together.
Here is a duck.
What do you want a sheep? Let me show you, Robbie. Joseph, let me show you what you do. Watch. You see where that pointer? You want to look at the sheep, point it to the sheep. Yeah, point it to whatever you want to look at.
The rooster says.
Don't stop it, that will break it. No, you let Andrew help you.
Andrew.
Okay, you open that one, Joseph.
Andrew.
Here, Andrew.
Say your name for us. Andrew.
Andrew.
Oh, you have to do it. Say, Andrew.
What does Daddy have in his hand?
Let's remember, I want to do it.
Andrew.
Baby's World book. Open it up, Joseph. Let's see it. Show it to Granny Craig. Why don't you go show it to Granny Craig?
Andrew can open that present right there because the paper will get real pretty book. I bet you like it, Joseph.
No, now you wait and let Andrew have a turn now, please. All right, you help. Push your. No, honey, let him have a turn. Hey, let him have a turn opening it, Joseph.
It's over here to that table.
All right.
Hmm?
Not yet, no. Because it's not time yet, honey.
Hi, Robbie. What do you do?
Look at that got.
Andrew.
Dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur bones, yeah.
See?
This is your Grandpa Luna.
Look, she's a baby.
Hey, Mommy.
And look at this.
Now we're getting him. Now we need
So,
his
so?
tail, his legs.
Mommy.
You want to have him do the
That's the end
soft?
of his tail. There you go.
Andrew, feel this. Like Joseph. Feel this like Joseph.
Papi.
Is he soft? Yeah, soft.
Breathe.
What do you want to see down
Well, I
here?
guess what you have to do then is put the whole darn thing together on one
Look at
side.
this, Andrew.
Mommy.
Look at this, Andrew.
Yeah. Mommy.
Peekaboo.
These hands are not going by the.
Okay, we're looking back to the movie. Soft.
Okay.
Soft. The bunny's tail.
Okay. Hook the tail in.
Can you smell? Smells yucky. It's supposed to smell good. See if you can squeeze it for him.
There you go.
Squeeze right here.
Good.
Here. Push right there. Just push it.
Press.
No.
There you go. Now, the legs. There should be one more set.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's
Now, which one do you think are
Peekaboo?
the front legs?
Mommy.
Which think are the back legs?
Not yet, honey. Where's
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo?
This one goes upside down.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Downward.
Want to do soft? Where's soft? Where's the soft?
Downward. Bee, bee.
Oh, the one just...
I hear you.
I see you.
Joseph, here's another picture.
Robbie's taking the movie now.
I push the button.
Yes, you did. Because it's going. Hi, Robbie.
Why can't I do a face like this?
Show your bones. He's got his picture.
Oh, yeah. Where are the bones, Joseph? Hand me the bones.
Now look over at Andrew. It's his birthday.
Show them to Joseph.
Happy
Robbie.
birthday, Andrew.
The back feet so he stand up.
Meet
Look what Andrew
dinosaur.
wants to get out.
Oh, yeah. Ah.
Oh,
taking a picture of you.
Yeah, Robbie's at the camera.
Happy for saying happy years. So happy.
Okay.
Don't eat Baby Andrew's book.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I'll eat Baby Andrew instead.
No! Don't eat him.
Okay, that's enough. Turn it off.
You want me to try to open it? Here. Did you pull something away from it and put it somewhere?
Andrew, looky, they don't fall down.
Wait, where is the top? Somebody found it. Robbie, look, you threw it clear over there.
Toy store to find.
No, his
really
daddy
big
did
toy.
that
Oh.
actually, Mary Ellen.
Well then, I'm sorry, Robbie. I didn't mean to say you did it. Oh, some adult
What did I
assembly
do?
look, you have to clip this in there.
What did I do?
You threw this clear over here so we couldn't.
The me book. This is for you, Joseph. It's called the me
And
book.
look at this.
Johnny Johnson.
Oh, look. How cute.
Look, Aunt Ooh.
Alright, birthday party's fun, Joseph. Birthday party's
Hey,
fun.
Mommy. Hey, Papa.
We can open that as soon as he gets through looking at this one.
That's cute.
Yeah. What is it?
Let him hold it for a minute.
No, not yet. honey,
Joseph,
just
why
a
don't you come
minute.
here and do something nice? Come here.
Did you put your elephant together? Oh, Joseph, you're so smart.
He just looks.
Well, and you can get him open.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of the fun.
Where's the little guy for this? That right there. This is cute though. Sweetie baby this.
That's from Robbie and Joseph.
Now, are these the new Fisher Price children?
What's too big?
Fly.
What's in there? I don't know if they're all that big, but I think it's kind of sad. I'll have to start looking at garage sales and start gobbling up the ones that are- Let me help you, Joseph.
Mommy.
Okay. John. You like those, Aubrey? Let me see those.
Andrew. Andrew. Hey. Hi.
There, John. Good. That's
Hi.
There he is. Hey, hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, what do you have, a
good.
wagon?
See what I got for my birthday. See what I got.
See what I got. Look at this.
Andrew. Andrew. What did Daddy have? What did Daddy have? What is this thing? What is it?
The camera. Look here.
Smell this, Grammy.
Oh, that looks
Grammy.
real cute.
Smell this.
Cake. Joseph, what are we gonna do? Yeah, but what are we gonna do for baby Andrew?
I know.
What are we
What are we
Candle
gonna
up
sing?
there.
Touch it.
What are we gonna sing to him?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, me, Mom. Hey, Ben, you come in here. That's the supply for you.
Sing it again, Joseph. You're eating already? Let's take a look at the cake.
The kids can be Andrew.
birthday boy?
Good.
There he is.
Look around, turn around.
Happy birthday, baby Andrew.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you.
And many more. Okay, everybody help him blow out his candles. You did it! Woo-hoo! You did it!
What about cake and ice cream?
Yay, baby Andrew.
Yeah, I just turned it over and got the.
Mommy.
Hey, you ready? Okay.
You have a knife?
Do you mind? It's right behind you. Okay, here you go.
But don't get the other one.
Is there any lasagna left?
Yeah.
But don't get the
Do
other
you
one.
have an ice cream dipper or will this work?
Well, we do. I don't know how it works.
It works good.
Don't get some ice cream to the other.
Yeah, mine really don't help too
Well, yours
much.
look like they're pretty solid. But
Hey,
a little ice cream to your cake?
don't get some to the Andrew.
He doesn't want ice cream?
Yes, he does. Give him a little ice cream.
What about it's too cold for him?
No,
Yeah, just gonna throw it on the
Drew.
floor.
Put it on the floor, baby. Bubba. These first birthday cakes are always kinda. Are you getting all this, John? Iffy. The gag out of the
Right,
child.
Daddy.
On his own birthday cake.
Have him do it again.
Eat that cakey, Andrew. Ooh, he's starting to like it.
Robert, you know on your first birthday, you smiled and grinned and smiled and grinned and you were the happiest little guy ever had a birthday party.
And it was a big party too. We shouldn't be talking about his birthday. On Andrew's
Were
birthday.
you telling John on Robert's
Just
first
how happy,
birthday
how
what?
smiling he was. He didn't smile much when we were around until that night. And he grinned like he knew just exactly what he was supposed to.
Oh yeah, you tell him to grin and he grin and you take his picture.
And up to then, we couldn't get him to smile for a spot. Could we?
Grinny pictures.
Well, I think he's had enough of his birthday. I would like to get a picture with my camera. That's the night that
Joseph's eating away. Hi, Joseph.
Andrew.
Hi, Robbie.
Andrew.
Hi, Daddy.
Well, he just wants to eat it with his own spoon.
Yummy chicken,
But-
yummy ice cream.
Excuse me, but
Yes, too, isn't it?
yeah,
You do that all the time?
never before.
Burrito, burrito.
That old ass.
Say, I'm a more cultivated person than. If you want to heat that up, stick it in the microwave. Andrew.
Not too bad this way.
You getting this little guy? Feeding, he wants to feed himself his birthday dinner. He's something. You are something. How you like it, Joseph? Look at that.
Daddy.
Got it. Got it. They're good.
I personally say nothing could be better than chocolate birthday cake. That's a chocolate birthday cake with chocolate icing.
Yeah, everyone else will have to help.
I'm going to.
I thought you were sure you were going to say unless it's
Can I have some more milk?
chocolate
That means,
marble birthday.
can I have some milk and some more cake, please?
How about some water?
I like
Ice cream or cake, Robbie?
cake.
Andrew. Hi.
Where's
I
your
said
toaster?
cake.
Has Joseph been doing okay
Yep.
after walking the whole zoo?
He's really been doing pretty well considering
He
he's
said
out.
He had just a wink of sleep as we were driving home, and that's, I guess, all he needed, because
He did.
This is not only his first birthday, but first time he used a spoon.
Oops, you missed half your cake.